Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so for this activity, I'm going to show you how to create a scatter chart with your data. So this is my data, and you notice my data is in meters. Yours should be in feet, so make sure you adjust that on yours. This is just an example to show you how to create that chart that you need for your submission. So once you have your data here, what you're going to do, you're going to highlight your X and your Y coordinate data. You're going to highlight it there, and then click on Insert, and then go down to Chart, and then you're going to select, once it comes up, let's try that again. Insert, Chart, there it goes. All right, so it automatically notices that that we're going to need a scatter chart, so we don't even have to select it from there. So we don't need to make any changes here. So click on, let's go to Customize so we can get this centered. So if you go to Customize, and then go to the horizontal axis. Let me move over here so you can see. Okay, under the horizontal axis, scroll down. Okay, your min, let's make that -4, and then our max, let's make it 4. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing with, click on there, our vertical axis as well. So -4 and 4, and you're gonna see how your chart adjusts. It should have adjusted, it didn't. All right, let's go back to, did I not do one right? Oh, I didn't put the max. Okay, that makes sense. There it goes. All right, so now it's adjusted. So you can click on the drop down arrow and it shows that. Another thing you can do also, if you want these grid lines to come out in different colors, if you click on the grid lines, scroll down, you can mess with the colors there. Here it shows you. So let's say if I wanted this really bright pink, I can have that shown up differently. That's if you want to go ahead and change that. All right, so that is how you create your scatter chart or your line plot for your submission.